Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I have a really cool website that allows you to make money super easily. And before I go any further in the video, I want to show you guys that they do pay out, and I did get my $177 payout that I withdrew from the website, and I'm going to show you how I got this later on in the video, so stick around if you want to see me earn $177. In fact, there are 3 different ways you can make money. The first way is the risky way, in which you play and you can win money or prizes. But the thing is, you can also lose money using this way as well, which is why it's the risky way. And how you do it is, there's these different cases here. So for example, if you go into the coin micro, you just open the case, you have to spend $1, and you can win anywhere from $0.3 to $5. So obviously you can lose money if you get less than $1, but you can also win money if you get more than $1. And it's just going to randomly choose one of these chips, and whatever chip you land on is the one that you get. Now, for the cases, there's different amounts that you can bet, and if you bet more, so for example, if you go to this beginner one, which is $5, you can win more money, between $1 and $25 for this one. And if you go even higher, so for example, if you go to the highest one right here, which is petabytes, then you can bet $100, and you can win anywhere between $20 and $500. So as you can see, there's many different ways that you can earn money, and then there's also different prizes too. So you can get tech cases, or you can get like the iPhone X, the iPhone 10, 256 gigabytes. And it says here you have to bet $50 and you can win anywhere between $500 and $1,300. You can see there's also a MacBook Pro. There's a super prize where you can actually win $250,000 if you bet $350. So it's a big bet, but there's also big prizes. And then there's also more things here, so you can get like a drone, you can get tickets to the Maldives, or you can even get a Lamborghini Huracan. So if you ever wanted a Lamborghini and you want to try your luck, then you might get lucky if you choose this option. Okay, so that's the risky way to make money, and I'll show you guys more how this works later, but I want to explain all the different ways first. So the second way is to do the non-risky method, and this is where you basically just invite people using your affiliate code, and you share that code, share it in the comments, share it wherever, and you can get 5% from whatever they deposit. So anytime they deposit money into their account, then you'll get 5% of that amount. So that's also another good option. And the third way, and I think the best way, is the investments option. So it says right here, you can become their investor and you make 10% in revenue a month. So you can invest as little as $1 and you'll get guaranteed weekly payments. And the payments come every 2 weeks. So it's a bi-monthly payment thing. But yeah, it's good. You can get 10%, it's guaranteed, so that's another option if you want to. Okay, so now what I want to show you guys is how you can deposit and withdraw money. So you can see here I have deposited $50 into my account, which I did through Bitcoin, but you can also do other methods. So for example, if you click on that plus right there, you can see here there's a deposit button, and it says that you can get up to $50 free when you deposit via Bitcoin. So if you deposit, let's say $50, you get $5 free, or if you do 500, you get $50 free. So Bitcoin is probably the best way because you get free coins. But yeah, so there's Bitcoin, there's this Perfect Money, I'm not sure what that is, and there's also PayPal. So there's 3 different options for depositing, and when you withdraw, you click on this minus sign right here, and you can see there they have Bitcoin and they also have PayPal options. So either one works, and yeah, that's how you deposit and withdraw. Alright, so now what I want to show you guys is the risky method, which is where you basically like bet your money and you try to play a game to win the prizes. Alright, so let's do it. Now I want to start with this coin Victorious. So what you do here is you open it up, and you can see there that I can win anywhere between $3 and $50, and I have to bet $10 per bet. So now let's open the case. You can see it subtracted $10 from my balance, and now it's just going to randomly spin. And you can see there I got 10, so I got my $10 back, and basically I broke even on that one. So now let's just keep on doing this, and we can see how we do at the end. Okay, so $15 there. Now you can see that I went to $55, and now I just bet another $10 for the spin, and now I'm back even. And we're just gonna keep on going. Hopefully we're gonna get lucky and get some big money from this. Alright guys, so I've been playing for a few minutes and I've gotten up to $132, which is an $82 profit since I started with 50 today. And that only took me around 10 minutes to get there, so that's really nice. Unfortunately, my video stopped recording, so I don't have all of that on video, but you can see I did earn around 18 on the video itself. But now I want to show you guys a different coin, so I'm going to go through this Got Up one. It has a higher bet, which is $20, but you can win between $7 and $100. So now let's go into it. Let's click it. And so now here you can see it's the same thing. It looks exactly the same, except just the dollar values are higher. So let's open a case. Let's see how we do. And alright, we got 25, so we earned a $5 profit here. Let's open another one. Hopefully we get lucky again. Okay, so we broke even. That's fine. Now let's do it again. Another $5 we earned since we're betting $20 and we won 25. Oh wow, that's really nice. We got a 50, and that means we earned $30 just from that one case opening. And there you go. Look at that. We didn't lose any money this time, and we got another $5 added onto our account. So I was at 132 just like a minute ago, and now I'm at 177. So that means that was a profit of what? $45 in a minute? That's an insane profit rate, guys. You can't find that anywhere else. Obviously it takes some luck, but if you're feeling lucky, then feel free to go through these cases and try your luck out, and hopefully you're going to be as lucky as I was just now and win a lot of money. So now what my total profit today is $127, and it only took me like 15 minutes to get there. So that's really nice, guys. Now you can see here at the bottom that there's the top users, and you can see that people have earned hundreds of dollars to even thousands of dollars from this app, or I guess from this website. So I mean, the potential is there. Like I said, there's 3 different ways. This is not the only way to make money. You can also do affiliate links, referral links, and you can also invest and make 10% a month. So now let me go through the bonuses here. There's daily bonuses, and it says here you just need to log in and click on join now and wait. And when the timer expires, a random winner will be chosen. So you can see you can win up to $500 from here, or as low as 10 cents. But I mean, whatever, free money, right? So now just click on join, and you can see there it says I joined, and in 22 hours they're gonna do another drawing. You can see the last winner here, he won $15. Alright, so now what I want to show you guys is the withdrawal process, and you can see that they will pay out. So let me go here and I'll click on this minus sign, withdraw, and I'll go to PayPal. Alright, so now let me put the amount, and I want to withdraw all of it, and let me withdraw. So you can see there it says I'll receive my withdrawal within 24 hours, so I'll expect to get that pretty soon, and I'll show you guys when I do get it. Alright guys, so now I'm on my PayPal, and you can see here that I did receive the $177 that I redeemed from BucksParadise, and it only took them a couple hours. So yeah, you can see that they do pay out, and they're very quick about it. Okay, so now I want to cover 2 different ways you can actually add bitcoins into your account. Just 2 popular websites. One of them is Coinbase.com. You've probably heard of these websites, and it's very secure. A lot of people use it. So if you want to add money with your credit card or whatever, then you can use this website. Another one is localbitcoins.com. This is another big website, very popular. So those are 2 websites you can use if you're not sure exactly how to add bitcoins to your account. They're very simple, very easy to use. Okay guys, so yeah, now you see BucksParadise is a very easy way to make big money, potentially, if you're very lucky. And they also have some guaranteed ways to make money too. But yeah, you saw I started from 50 and I went all the way up to 177 in the span of like 10 to 15 minutes. So it's really, really great. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.